Here's a quick video of my 2014 Canterbury Grand Haven 40-FD. I got her plugged in. It's got dual airs. It's got a brand new queen mattress and a lift bed. Show you the bed lifts up. There's your bed lifting up. There's the air for the bedroom. We'll go through here in the bathroom. It's got a walk-through bath, house-type toilet. This is a park model with no holding tanks. You also have shower and a glass surround. It is plumbed for a stackable washer dryer, but there is no washer dryer included. It is plumbed for it. It's got a super fantastic fan in here. Vanity storage under the vanity. Heading on into the front den. It's got 2 sleeper sofas. So this one sleeps 6, we'll give it. It's a real nice trailer. One air does it fine, but if you only want the bedroom air on, or if you want to have extra cooling, flick that on. It's got the stainless package, so it's got a convection microwave, 4-burner stove with an oven, convection microwave, GE stainless fridge. It's got an ice maker. The ice maker is not hooked up. People around here winterize, so they don't like the ice makers that much. Blinds on every window. 2 sleeper sofas. Fireplace. Stereo. Had the stereo going. We don't turn them on in videos because we'll get a copyright claim going on, and we don't want that. Fireplace is pretty cool. A couple bar stools, breakfast bar there. So this is the 2014 Canterbury Grand Haven. Available for purchase. Be glad to set it up, deliver it. You can come and get it, haul it home. But there she is. Have a great day.